Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then the answer is very simple and very clear that in this video I am here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful handmade, hand knitted crochet head covers, head warmers, or you can say simply baby hats. And not only this, you can see a variety of handmade, hand knitted hair bands, hair accessories in this video as well. Dear friends, as you know that winters are very near and intermix season have been started, so it is very important to keep the temperature of the babies maintained, otherwise they could catch flu, fever or any other seasonal health issues. And babies are very sensitive, and at the same time we want to keep them very stylish, classy and very presentable. So our this video is in the continuation of very beautiful head covers, head warmers and stylish hand knitted handmade baby accessories. As you people could see that very beautiful color combination, very funky and eye-catchy, mesmerizing stylish patterns of these handmade, hand-knitted hats have been followed, so that by seeing these designs, babies would love to wear these hats. They would be attracted by them, and these hats range from the sizes, and these are for different type of babies and different age group babies, that is from 0 size to up to 11 to 12 years of girls can wear these. But some hair designs are so funky and stylish, and they are up to next level that young girls could also carry them with their short shirts, jeans, denims and whatever the western code of dresses they follow. So friends, as far as we are concerned with the making of these hats, these hat warmers, then you can use knitting wool, or you could use some sort of cotton or blended stuff threads like anchor, DMC. And in embroidery wool you can use a variety of wools, that is matte wool, shiny wool, velvet wool, silky wool and much more different types and brands of wool that you prefer to. And let's move to the decoration and styling of these designs. For decorating these head warmers, these head covers, you can use similarly some sort of very beautiful crochet flowers, crochet techniques to design them. And I hope that friends you like the video. These designs would be helpful for you, and you will make these patterns for your babies. And if you don't have babies, then kindly do share them with your friends and family and in your social circle who know the art of knitting. And this is not only for personal use or for making crochet patterns on the basis of some personal skills, but those persons who are professionals and know the art of knitting and they have massive clients and they are in search of some new designs that are easy pattern based and that could be made easily within a short interval of time, and they can earn a handsome amount of money by showing these designs to their customers. And I'm sure that their customers would be overwhelmed to see these very beautiful and eye-catching designs as well. Now friends, let's take a look on the very beautiful handmade crochet knitted hairbands. As you could see that different type of crochet patterns have been used to make them. Similarly, you can make crochet flowers and you can knit them onto the hairbands, and for decoration you can use very beautiful white and off-white color pearls of different sizes. I'm damn sure that your babies would look like Barbie dolls. If you have baby girls, and your baby boys would look like princes, like Prince Charms, by wearing these, some heroes of artistic Disney cartoon characters. And you know, babies usually fantasize these Disney cartoon characters and they want to look like them and they want to wear stuff like them. So this entire video collection is absolutely for them. Do try these patterns and do share your experiences with us. Comment below the video in the comment section and give your suggestions, your experiences, your choices of interest. And don't forget to like the video if you like the video, and if you are new to my channel, kindly do press the bell icon button so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And one more thing friends, I'm adding the links to my other channels as well, so do subscribe them. And while subscribing, do press the bell icon off there also. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep supporting us, keep loving us. Stay blessed. We will soon be back with you.